guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and we are doing the drawing for our Fat Quarter Shop giveaway for our book. Yay! Oh my gosh, it is late, and my husband is over here smiling at me, so I can't focus. All right, we're looking for the word Halloween. So keyword filter and Halloween's what we're looking for. And we don't want replies to comments. We just want the comments themselves. Looks like we've got 26 entries. So let's find out who wins. So Karen. Yay, congratulations, Karen. Send me an email. My email address is in the description box below. I will verify that it's you and ask you for your mailing address so that I can have Fat Quarter Shop send this right on over to you. You have until Wednesday to contact me. If I don't hear from you by then, I will have to draw another winner. So please contact me by then. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching this. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.